Magma! Ladies and gentlemen, I want to show you what happens when you heat a solid bar of soap while microwaving it. While we heat this soap, I want you to jot down your observations. Here's the bar of soap. Into the microwave it goes. For time's sake, I'm going to leave it in for 1:45. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Now let's see what happens. Nothing so far. I know it doesn't seem super exciting at the moment, but it's still just warming up. Are you keeping track of your observations? Even if you're not seeing anything happen, that is an observation. Do you see that? Just there on the left side of the plate? Let's zoom in a little. Are you recording your observations? Well, what do you think? We had it bubbling over like goopy oatmeal. What in soap would cause it to bubble and not just melt? The reason the soap bubbled is because it has trapped gas in it, in the form of vapor. As heat is applied, the water vapor expands and adds pressure to the walls of the bar of soap. As the soap warms and the walls soften, the gas is able to bubble and then erupt while the soap expands and changes shape permanently. Afterthoughts. From your observations, describe what happened to the soap when it started to get warm. Then answer these questions. Why did those changes occur? How might you change the experiment? What is a real-world comparison? All right, everybody. Thanks for paying attention. Keep good notes, and thank you for your time. For anyone who would want to recreate this, just take a bar of soap, put it in the microwave on a safe plate, microwave it for 1 minute, 45 seconds, let it cool, and remove with a hot pad. I want the students to see how trapped water vapor heats in a bar of soap, how the soap slowly softens under heat and pressure until eventually the bar gives way and the gas escapes. This compares to how molten rock has dissolved gas in it, and as those gases are released, the melt becomes more buoyant. Then at the surface, as the material softens and the gas pressure builds, it will eventually erupt. This video could be used at the beginning of a volcanic lab. In that lesson and lab, we would explore the known mechanisms for the formation of volcanoes, look at and describe different types of volcanic rock, research the various types of volcanoes, learn about viscosity, and pick a volcano of interest to research in class. Listed here in red is the Wyoming State Content Standards that this lesson meets.